Hey guys, it's Kay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Let's hop into this wig, you guys, because this is a gorgeous wig. So yes, this wig is from Reshine Hair, and I'll go ahead and list everything down below, including details to this wig, just in case you guys miss anything. And if you do want to purchase this wig or check out their website, the links will be listed below. If I have coupon codes, I'll go ahead and list those down below as well. Now they sent me over their 28-inch 250% density, heavy on a 250% density. Can y'all see the thickness? Like, this wig is definitely full, you guys. Now this is a water wave texture, and it is a 13x4 lace front wig. The wig did not come with bleach knots, so I did have to go in and bleach the knots. Of course, that's an option. You don't have to go in and bleach the knots. If you're not for it, you can just go in and add your finishing powder or concealer, whatever you do to, match that lace up with your skin. You can go in and use that. Now, the hairline. I did go in and pluck this hairline a little bit. The hairline already came pre-plucked, but it wasn't really hitting how I wanted it to. So I just went in lightly. I didn't pluck a lot of hair, you guys, because again, it did already come pre-plucked. So if you don't want to pluck the hairline, you don't really have to. But for me, I went in and plucked the hairline. Here's the kicker though. You can wear this wig glueless. So I don't know if y'all peeped that before I even added this got to be glue, how the wig was already laying. It was already laying. So if you just wanted to plop this thing on and style it, refresh the curls a little bit, you could do that. Now, I will say you would have to get your correct cap size. But y'all, I was shocked. And I was more surprised that the tabs on the side where the lace lays by your temples, they laid down, you guys. And that's rare for me. Like, every time I get a wig, like, the front will be laid, but the sides always stick up. Now, I don't know how it would be if I was to actually like try to pull this wig back into a ponytail. Then I think that the sides will kind of like flip up a little bit. But if you're just wearing it as a middle part or like down, and you're not like pulling the sides up in any kind of way, they will lay down, and it looks like it's already like glued onto your head. So if you're not into like the glue or the wig adhesives or whatever, and you like a good glueless wig, this is one to look out for, y'all, because I was shocked, especially when them tabs laid down on the sides. I could appreciate that. This was such a quick and easy wig install, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. It took me nothing just to like put this wig on. Especially, it cuts down time if you're wearing this glueless. But for the most part, I only sprayed the got to be glue in the front. On the sides, I left it alone. Like I said, it was already laying on the sides anyway. I could have just, honestly, I could have worn this wig glueless. But for some reason, I just like the melt better when I spray the got to be glue. It just makes the lace blend in a little bit more better. But besides that, I really ain't do nothing to this wig, you guys. The front of the hair was a little bit frizzy because I did go in and pluck the hairline, so the curls wasn't as defined as I wanted it to be, versus the back of the hair. So I took my water and conditioner and just lightly sprayed it a little bit, kind of to define it so it can match with the back of the hair. But that was basically it, because I like how the curls look edge-right and not too defined. And this was a look. This was a go for sure. Now, I think this wig is coming with me when I go on vacation, y'all. Because this is like some on a beach vacation hair for sure. And the fact that it's glueless, okay, I got options. This one is definitely coming with me. Like, look at that. Ooh. 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 And they say 250% density. I definitely believe it. Like, it's a full wig. Now, I feel like the curls can be a little bit more defined if you want them to. But you have to add like actual product. I only added the conditioner and water, so I feel like that don't really define the curls like you want it to, or even make the curls really stay and pop. Look at that hairline, y'all. And that's no baby hairs on that side. It looks very much natural. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you are interested, go ahead and check the description box down below, you guys. But I will see y'all in my next video.